What if your body mistook lunch for an attack? 1 in 100 Americans have celiac disease, an immune condition triggered by eating gluten from wheat and other related grains. Now, that may sound rare, but 1 in 3 of us carry the genes that could lead us to developing celiac in our lifetimes. So there's a good chance this matters to you. My name is Maria, and I'm a PhD student in plant biology at UC Davis. I study wheat genetics, in particular, the culprits behind celiac, gluten. Gluten makes up almost 20% of the protein consumed around the world. That makes it really hard to avoid. Gluten is a whole family of proteins. One wheat variety can have up to 100 different gluten proteins, and like any family, every member is a little bit different. On one side of the family tree, we have our glutenins. These are the glue that keep our family together, literally. They're why you can form a cohesive ball of dough when you bake with wheat flour. On the other side of the gluten family are the gliadins. Now, some glutenins can trigger celiac, but these gliadins are the real troublemakers. They're much more likely to cause an immune response. Gliadins can help to make dough stretchy, but here's the good news. We found in a recent study that we can knock out dozens of them and still make great bread. In my lab, we're removing different glutens to see if we can make a wheat variety with high bread making quality and low celiac toxicity. This could help people who already have celiac, and it could help prevent it in the 1 in 3 of us who are genetically at risk. Remember that there can be 100 different gluten genes in just one type of wheat, so we have a lot of combinations to explore. Think of it like trying to plan a family party where everyone gets along. We want to invite the gluten proteins that work well together, the ones that make dough strong and stretchy. But just like you might not extend an invitation to the troublemakers, we want to breed out the gluten proteins that can trigger celiac. Right now, people with celiac have to avoid wheat altogether. But by studying which gluten proteins can coexist in wheat without triggering an immune response, we're planning a party where everyone gets along, so people with celiac can eat fearlessly.